What's up, guys? Welcome, Crypto FUD. Let's jump right into this. All right, so just have an update on ICP, Internet Computer Protocol. Obviously, the market lately has been just struggling. We all know everything that's going on with the market right now. Binance being sued, and a lot of projects being brought with it. Along in that lawsuit was around 20 projects, maybe even more. And ICP was one of those projects that they are trying to say is a security, along with Cardano. That's what everybody's calling it now, Cardano. But you have a bunch of other projects, but Cardano looks like it's been getting hit pretty hard as well. But ICP, so right now we're currently sitting at around $4.21. I know I have, a fib. We have three lines drawn here. Let's see here. I'm actually going to remove one of these lines because I know it can be a little much to see. All right, so we have our fib. We have our 200-day moving average right here that we obviously broke a week or two ago, and we've been steadily under it. If you can see this blue line right here, this blue line at $4 and around $4.13, really $4.14. If you can see previously before we went on this little bullish bullish run that we've been in, if you see this has been a line of some solid support. If you see we bounced here, and multiple times actually it was formed as some resistance as well. So I'd say back here we use this particular line 4 or 5 times, right? Well, it just so happens that when we've come back down towards that line, it has become a spot of some support right now, and that's really been our lifeline. Has been this $4 and around $4.15, you'll say, somewhere around there. We bounced on it a few times. It doesn't look like it's exactly bounced every time. It's been maybe like a cent or two over it, but it looks like we approached that line, and it's like we kind of been just consolidating over. What I'm getting to is if we break this line, this next line right here, it's going to be pretty much the bottom. The bottom of the bottom is the bottom of this fib right here, right? But where I have this line right here was where we found some support right at that near bottom. If we break this line, I'm not saying we're going to exactly go down to there, but there is a chance that we could be retesting that low, which is only 14% away. So it's really not that big of a move down. Obviously, with this move that we've had recently, it would be if you considered it all. But, I had this box right here. This has been where my accumulation zone's been. As it dropped down here, I've been really just accumulating. I've actually added probably 50% to my bag in the last like week. And I've really just been kind of just small increments. Whenever we do retest this line down here, I keep buying in. If we do keep retesting that $4.14, and maybe 13, 15 cents, call it what you want. If we keep retesting this, I think we are going to eventually break. It is good that we are actually in the last few days, even though this could be short lived, we are higher in the last few days right now, currently, than we have been. We've been bouncing, kind of going in between this $4.14 and $4.20. So I know it doesn't seem like a much, but the fact that we've gotten up to $4.21.5, hopefully we can get ourselves, start moving upward. On the reverse side, if we do break this, me personally, I always tell you guys, especially with the project that ICP, how I'm obviously invested, and this is like a long term play for me. If we do drop down to these levels, me personally, like, you don't want to see your portfolio going down, but at the same time, I believe in this project. I know this project's going to be something big in the future. So if I'm able to accumulate the cheapest possible, why wouldn't that be a good thing for now? All the funds that I have in ICP, I'm not looking to sell at $5 or $6. I could have sold at $8, but I held on to it because this is a long-term play. I'm looking at something around $75, maybe $100 ICP, in the future, maybe near future, hopefully next bull run. If we're talking maybe next year or two, who knows? So a $4 or 3.5 ICP is a steal in my eyes. So that's why I personally, not financial advice, have been accumulating and just watching these zones. So again, if you're kind of sitting like me and you're adding to your bag, $4.21 to me honestly isn't terrible, but if you see how it's been playing out, we most likely will curl back down and retest this $4.14 level. Again, if we keep testing that, I have a feeling eventually, if Bitcoin doesn't start moving up past 27,000 and holding 27,000, we might, break this line right here. And like I said, I don't think we're going to be necessarily just shooting down 15% unless something crazy happens in the news or something, with the whole market. We probably will be retesting some levels that we were over here on our way up, somewhere like maybe $3.80, somewhere around that level. But anyway, if I break, basically what I'm saying is if we break this $4.12, that's when I'm going to start looking to accumulate more, because I've already accumulated, like I said, another 50% when we bounced at this line multiple times. So now I'm kind of just waiting to see if I can get a better price in. If we don't and we start moving up, I'm still happy anyway because I still accumulated a nice chunk. So that's how we're investing. Other than that, guys, make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel. We'd love to see us get back up to this 200A, but eventually we will. I think it's going to be some time. There's going to be a lot of, there's a dark cloud over crypto right now, and it's over most projects. Almost every project has a dark cloud over it. But eventually, winds will come and blow that cloud away, meaning time will come, in the next month. People forget about crap or they just move on. Think about what we went through in the last 2 years. I mean, that bad things. It looked like the market was going to crash, with all the news and, with all the exchanges crashing and stuff like that. But eventually we prevailed and we moved on, and we will again. Crypto will always prevail and move on. So you guys be safe out there. Again, subscribe to the channel so you can get instant alerts. I thank you guys so much.